Look at your hair blowing in the wind. What do you want to talk to the people about today? It's a windy day. See, the wind is coming in from the west and the north. We're feeling it from both directions. Yes, that's the west. Let's see. That's the west.
Free.
What? The birds are free? Yeah. You like the free birds. And your hair and your face. Your face is dirty.
Oh, close.
What you?
Please.
What happened? And then what else? You see the bus? Look at the bus. See the bus right there? Look, there's a bus right here. There's the bus right there. You see the bus? No, the bus right there. You see the bus right there? Look, the bus. You see the bus? You see the bus? That's the bus. That's the neighbor. Yeah, that's the neighbor. See, that's the first time something came by since I've been out here today. A car. You nosy? You a nosy neighbor? Yeah, you the nosy neighbor. Look at you. Stay out of people's. Hey, yeah, stay out of people's business. Yeah, stay out of people's business. Well, y'all up in her business, huh? Hey, you're gonna make her nervous. You ready to go in the house now? Are you? Daydreaming? I'm dreaming. And I see the leaves, and the trees, and the birds, and the airplane. And I'm dreaming. Are you ready to go back? You gotta get your hair washed and conditioned. Yep, just like that. You know what? And your hands too, yeah. Definitely. You ready? Look at those eyes. I can see it in your eyes. Eyelashes. I love your eyelashes. It's in your eyes. I can see it in your eyes. Like two birds. Airplanes. There's a lot going on out here today.